For those who appreciate beauty, who embrace art and life, wherever they go. Inspired by the Japanese view of respectfully coexisting with nature, the Mazda CX-60 has been designed to harmonize and reflect the world around it, with a sophisticated and welcoming interior flooded with light, your own sacred space. Mazda's Kodo design follows the principles of less is more, refraining from extraneous design flourishes, creating a cleaner, natural beauty, a work of art that goes beyond the canvas. The SUV, where less is more.